Hello everyone, my name is Apar Sharma and today I am going to show you the brief demonstration of this interactive flat panel. So this panel is made up of 4 integrated elements: display, audio video, CPU and touch. So this panel comes up with the on-site warranty of 3 years with the screen time of 50,000 hours. So this panel offers double operating system, inbuilt Android and Windows with the latest version. This panel offers 4K HD video quality for the video part, and for the volume part we have offered 2 speakers of 20 watt each. This screen is made up of toughened glass with the thickness of 4 mm, which makes it very strong. If I talk about the storage part, so this panel offers 4 GB RAM and 32 GB inside it. So before moving further, firstly I'll take you to the annotation feature of this panel. So for that, look on the screen. So this is the pencil part. So my annotation mode will start in a second. Now suppose if you want to write anything over the screen. So the current time is 3:15. If you want to mark this, you want to write all over the screen. So you have to just choose sit and write over it. You can mark anywhere you want. Anywhere you want you can write it. If you want to mark this application, you can do that. So this is the annotation mode feature. In a second you can close it also like this. Like this. Now moving forward, I'll take you to the most important feature of this panel, that is the whiteboard application. So here is the whiteboard application. I will click over it. So this is the screen part of the whiteboard application. So I can choose any color of pen according to my choice. Suppose I am choosing red or I am choosing black. I am writing something like study and learn, for example. So we are offering zero bonding in it. The touch is very sensitive and very smooth. If you want to rub it, you can choose the razor like this and you can use the palm gesture to rub it. If you want to clean this particular image in a second, you can use the clean all option and you can remove it. Now we have some measurement tools also for all the school students and for all the students who are using the particular board. Suppose if I choose over the ruler part, so this is the protector part we are using. We have the scale part also. These all tools are already mentioned inside the whiteboard. If you want to clean, you have to cancel it like this and like this. We have some 2D and 3D shapes also for all the students. If I talk about the 3D shape, this is the 3D shape and this is the 2D shape. You can clean in a second again. We have the feature of table also. If you want to insert any table, suppose 6 by 6, you can insert it. You can clean it again. So we have the feature of mind map also, where you can divide one part into 3 parts and you can write over the blocks. You can clean it again. We have the feature of sticky notes also. Suppose if a teacher is writing something or explaining you something, or she or he has to remind something, so he can make the notes also, okay, and save it upside. We can cancel it also. Apart from that, we have some other features also. If you want to add multiple slides to it, what you can do, you can add the page numbers according to your need and they will show you like this. If you want to save your current work, you can save in your internal memory like this. If you want to export this particular image, so you can export in 4 categories, that is image, PDF, SVG and IWV. If you want to send this particular slide to all the student or to a particular Gmail or any mail address, you have to set up from here. You will log in, you will configure that, and that particular screen and document will be delivered to that particular mail. We'll go back. If you need to change any theme, we have several themes color here. We have some templates for like playground, for maths, for English, for lining part, you can choose any, you can use that. Apart from that, we have some other features also like split screen, timer, stopwatch, record option for all the screen recording option. If you want to freeze the screen, you can use this option. If you want to crop some particular part, we have the crop option also, fast file transfer. So we'll test the split screen. This is the split screen option. I am using Finder in one part and in other part I am using the whiteboard. So now, I can particularly use the multiple screen and I can write anything what I want. If you want to change the side, you can flip it like this and you can cancel also. Now I will clean it. Suppose I am writing study and learn. And you want to share this particular screen to all the mobile devices, wherever you can scan it. So we have the option for scan. You can enlarge this. The person who will basically scan this part will get the image inside their mobile phones. So this is the feature we are offering, that is QR code scan. To make this panel demo more interactive or any session more interactive, we have the feature for importing the image. Suppose you want to import any of your Google image inside this panel and you want to write over it. We can do that. This is the home screen. We'll go to browser. So this is the working of heart. I will click over it and import to note. So I am getting the image inside my whiteboard like this. If you want to write something, you can choose the pen again, suppose black, and you can write over it like this. Now we can clean this. So the whiteboard part is done. The next part is inbuilt study and learn smart class content we are offering with this panel. So this is our application study and learn. We will open it. So this is the outlook. I will go to study part. This is for the class 8. Suppose I am choosing science subject. So we have divided our content into 4 parts, basically interactive ebook, experiments and the real life videos which are recorded and the fully solved NCERT. Suppose I am taking any of the topic, chapter 12, friction. So this is divided into 3 parts, interactive ebook, the smart class content, then the revision part, then the NCERT book. Interactive ebook. So I am taking any topic, that is types of friction. We will play the video.
Force on the brake is increasing, but still the brake is not moving, which means that the frictional forces.
So these are the anchor based videos we are offering for the panel. This is our content KG to class 12. Suppose now you want to use the annotation mode and you want to describe something or you want to mark over it. You have to pause the video. You can use the pencil again for the annotation mode. You can choose any pen. You can write. If you want to save it, you can save it, or if you want to clean it, you can clean also. So like this. So apart from interactive ebook, we are also offering experiments and real life videos. Let's check one. Suppose I am taking refining of petroleum. So this is basically the real life videos which are recorded for the students for their knowledge. So they can see and take all the knowledge from this video. So after science, we have other subjects also like maths. We can check maths. We have formula master in it. We will click over it. We will open it. So all the important formula masters you can see over there: practical geometry, data handling, square and square roots like fact 1. If a natural number m can be expressed as n square where n is a natural number, then m is the square root of a perfect square. So all the facts you can see over here. If we go back, third is about history. We can see here also chapter 5, suppose when people rebel. We have interactive ebook smart class content and NCERT also. We can see any video like the company fight back.
The company fights back.
So the content we are offering is bilingual also. The current language is English. If you want to switch it, I can switch it into Hindi also. Let's see how.
Unnerved by the scale of the upheaval, the company decided to repress the revolt.
I will change the audio now.
Its might.
We can say reinforcements मंगवाएंगे
Like this.
और नए काम पास किए गए.
So this was the demo regarding the panel. So we are offering the combination of hardware and software together.